Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to record in Google Meet. So as you notice, when I start an instant meeting, the recording in the Google Meet is basically not available because it is available if you have this premium. So if you want to record without the premium, I will show you right now how to do that. First, go over the App Store and here type in Tap Record and press enter. Now select this recorder, just click on get and then install. Once the app is installed, you can go ahead and click open right here and then close App Store. The app will open as you can see and you can simply select record screen. Now select what you want to record by dragging and dropping all, or just click on the whole screen and it will select the window for you. Now down here you have these controls, so you can change size, you can change resolution, you can change also resolution and frame rate right here. You can also choose to record a web camera as well, choose to record audio and choose to record your microphone. So just enable audio and microphone, open system preferences and then enable tap record. Then quit and reopen. And do the same with the camera and everything that you want to add as well. Then close this window and just simply select record screen. Now select the screen again and press record right here. In 3 seconds the recording will start, and as you can see right now, here it is, the recording is going. You can always pause the recording with this pause button if you want and continue it with this continue button again. Then, if you are done with your recording, simply click on this icon to stop your recording. Now, it will open up as this new window where you can just play it. You can also trim it, delete it, send it straight to your iPhone. You can also share it or just simply open it in a folder, and this will open up this folder where you have all of your recordings. So this is how simple it is to really record your meeting. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.